Once you've imported the CSV from the selected repositories, you can immediately notice the number of papers retrieved. You can create a new dataset to be analyzed. Select one of the sources, for example, Scopus. Select the document type filter, for example, Articles and Reviews. Select how the results will be ordered. And click Limit to apply all filters. Click on Yes, just do it to confirm the operation. For each paper in the initial data set, MYSLR shows you different bibliometric information, title, abstract, year of publication, publication name, number of citations, and many others, so that you can decide to select that paper for the final data set or to exclude it. In doing this activity, you can be helped by many filters. And if needed, follow the link to the original source of publication and view the full text of the paper, free if open access, or with your credentials if limited access.